Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be able to check a Siena and Mao. I Galamsey. Maybe I have 1 point, shoot and kill. That should be the call of the presidency. When NDC was in opposition, normally say they should declare state of emergency. And then NDC, they are in power. As the president say, you can't answer. My catch say NDC and MPP normally a peba amount to say. That time, here, friend, I could follow say on say, and the MPP also say they should declare state of emergency. Now, you're a Sefa Kayi on the back of your interview. No, Bisano. Now, some more Kayi there. You go to your baby to us.
But that is not the topic for discussion. Make a Galamsey. Make a Oman a responses Enra. And say no, have we lost the fight? Say state of emergency and the can say yema about that danonye. Na si CDS yenye. Na ushe baby ekuya. Galamsey ye bet me.
General, General.
Yes, Abasa.
Before the election, Manti will be biada say NDC a press conference. Eka say yeah, state of emergency.
Oh,
illegal.
Kiki.
Oh, maintain. So I'm here. Me say NDC a press conference.
Kiki.
Maintain that.
Kiki.
Oh,
individuals. Kiki, my body bet 10 times. Kiki.
Oh, Kwame. Me ba.
Oh, there, bra.
Chairman General.
Oh, 7 in your
Chairman General.
Kiki.
Say individuals ewo NDC mu ene kan ye dia. That is different.
Kiki.
But maintain. Say me will have to be educated.
Kiki.
Okay, me too.
Obian can say NDC press conference. Okay. Obian wakasa.
Okay.
Into press conference ni free.
Okay.
Into see individuals. And okay.
Individuals can make statements. Yes. Individuals say, "Oh yeah, ben musisi can make statements." So they believe say that is omwadwenchire. They believe say the state of emergency.
An idiom.
Okay.
A flag bearer and a president.
Okay.
Okay. An idiom. Intimanya the individuals to say be a sebu food soldier be.
Chairman General.
In fact, current minister, if I was sector minister.
Yeah.
Okay. Be.
Okay.
Education minister KB, communication minister KB.
Okay.
Nipa be brave KB.
Okay.
Don't let's trivialize it to press conference. Any press conference as baby I do no. And now journalists share the bisa about state of emergency because they idea na damano e de ba bem. Enti say we dey cover press conference.
And nothing I make us say your flag bearer in opposition e can say he believes say the state of emergency eba ewo illegal mining ebeboa as at that time na o kasa no na bia de no hu enti na o ka no but ene wa baba yo mampeni enti so kwa me wa baba yo mampeni na se sebi bia picture na different na
enti from afar the picture is different.
Oh kwa me say
Massa Galamsey a non-negotiable threat to Ghana. Sabi obi pese osewunsuo no poison wo saa nipa no ehu hia sa otena wiase gold board by ye nyina ka bi esi omo bo but se mo beboa na Galamsey sika na mode boa de amunya ye hia sa amoa no. Ghanaians deserve to live better. We deserve better than what we are getting. Because we be Ghana had so many inferior leaders ama Ghana edu baby away shambles. Omaya sabe go Portuguese for buy one proper from na gold eba uko Australia US omo two gold nsuo ba nyanso wanti nsuo no enye we. It's high time that the president should take what bold initiative. Then be am say ade an nche wo ya usuni different e che uso different. Yera John Mahama ne nkofo go gina ba bi ka say state of emergency. And then the mobile no mo say there be we are looking at that should be the last option. It's not going to be. And I'm glad that some of the CSOs no they are standing on their feet saying say we should declare it now. But I never can say it's simple. The president should call a meeting of all the prominent chiefs in Ghana and tell them say I want Galamsey to be banned. You have to tell them, say obi wo mu no oye bia mo ka kire me because my ready say ma be good Galamsey. That should be the first thing. Number 2, then the paramount chief should also send a warning to their subordinates. Say, Master, this is what the president has said. Or say obia went me no. Your friend is saying, me. The third one is that the chief commanders, the police commanders in the various they should be taxed. Say, I'm giving you 60 days. So when me stop it, Galamsey, Master, you be fired. Police achia no to Galamsey. Aye. Se se ofi akra ba, ekwa wo oni etu Galamsey. That is how menacing Galamsey has become. Aye national threat enye si edi agro. When ye MPP NDC asem, when ye Ghana for asem. Na de bia me ka se abo ne fe ne se kire wa, wotama ba na de abon sa ye ye no. O fe ne se kire wa, ye kwakwa abo no. Galamsey for na fear Mosia Chere say they want to kill Ghanaians. I am person kuyen every we are say. Meanwhile, we are trying to find excuses why Galamsey should be there. Mete Bakubi no be say there 4 million jobs are going to be out. And the armed robbers no say your money we should leave them to work. And I'm a cocaine dealers no, it's also job because they don't have job to do. It will be armed robbery. We should leave the person to work. If that's the logic we are raising. Galamsey has no business in Ghana. And ya sheye ni afa yi anto yi a ne beto Ghana for no. Ebi see that. Me pesa sa aso beto because ebedu time bi no kromafo na say yes omo we no they will also be in arms. Na fe IBB the security services ya tax them. And then Ghana yeah peaceful nation first you buy about 20 and then you drop it to 66. And then you drop it to 66. It looks like the country is going down in every sphere of life. Even the one that we pride ourselves in, say we are peaceful. No, we are no more peaceful. It's in the American say it is time for your President Obama to wake up. So one day I wake up. Now who say the lives of millions are at risk. You can't take say 4 million into 33 million and it won't happen. Yendina yembe day near making sure say Galamsey should be uprooted from Ghana forever. I Xposed GHFM Bembru subscribe share. Military man I will say Emmanuel.